everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the unique kind of testing on this IQ7 device. So there is the prevention of overcharging in this phone is there or not. So when the battery reaches to the 100%, few of the phones they will still keep on charging continuously, and some phones they'll immediately stop taking the charging input. So let's see whether that kind of mechanism actually is present in this IQ7 or not. So this is a really interesting test, friends, because this will give you the confident that your phone will be able to stop the charging even once the battery reaches to 100%, and you don't need to worry at all. So that is the reason why I'm doing this kind of video, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscriber as well. So right now the battery I did charge to the 100%, and still I'll try to charge again using this 66 watt fast charger. So let's see whether the battery will be stopping charging or not. So that is what I'll try to see right now. So let me try to quickly connect the charger. So right now the charger is connected, plugged in, and let me try to connect the cable to the phone, and let's see what will happen after some time. And as soon as the cable is connected, it's showing 100% and flash charge. As you can see the charging, but usually it will take some couple of seconds or couple of minutes to completely fill the 100% as well. So that is what I'm trying to test. So waiting for maybe a couple of minutes. So right now the time is about 10:22. So maybe I'll try to be back after 10:24 or 10:25. So maybe we'll be able to know whether the charging has been stopped or not by the time we see. If charging has been stopped, then that's a really good advantage in this phone, that you don't need to worry at all. Even if the battery gets full, there is a mechanism that will be definitely stopping the charging input. If the charging doesn't stop, then definitely, friends, you need to take care about every time the phone gets to 100%, you need to immediately disconnect the cable. Otherwise this may cause some kind of problems for the long time usability for the smartphone. So let's see whether that kind of mechanism is present or not in this IQ7 device. And meanwhile, if you are interested in this kind of unique kind of testings and comparisons, and try to check the playlist for more details on the IQ7 device, you can find so many interesting videos and so many comparisons every day. I'll be trying to post by comparing with other smartphones as well. So make sure to check the playlist for more details. So let's see, I think the time is about 1 minute maybe. So still it's showing the flash charge. So still the symbol on the notification which did see the flash charge as well. So again I'll be back after maybe some couple of minutes. So 4 to 5 minutes of time. I'm trying to give as much as time to the phone as possible to see. So let's see what will happen. As you can see, friends, immediately it stopped charging and it showed the symbol like fully charged, as you can see. So just maybe it took 2 minutes, and the 100% also completely filled line, as you can see. So now it's saying the fully charged, as you can see, friends, and it's not taking any kind of power. So there is no flash power as well, as you can clearly see. Just now it happened. Let me need to disconnect and connect again. As you can see, it's saying fully charged. Deleted the cable and trying to connect to the phone. As you can see, it's showing charging and immediately stopped because the battery fully charged. You did see the live demonstration just now when I'm trying to do charging. It will show the charging symbol, and after some time it will definitely stop the charging. So that's a really good mechanism is there, friends, in this particular mobile phone. That is what I did like. So you don't need to worry at all in terms of the overcharging of the battery will happen after 100% or not. So it definitely, there is no problem at all. The battery will be stopped charging once it's get fully charged. As you can see, friends, you can clearly see here. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, so make sure to comment below. And my next test will be on the another benchmark test on this IQ7 device using the ultra game mode. So try to check that video in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching, and it's a very good result in this IQ7 device. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.